Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Creations. I'm Garima and in today's video I will show you how to make this cute and beautiful gatefold birthday card. So do watch this tutorial till end and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like this video. Friends, make sure to fold your card neatly so that it may look more beautiful while opening. As you can see, I have used colorful designer sheets to paste it over my card. You can choose any designer paper of your choice. Friends, to decorate the inner portion of the card, you need to use colorful paper and glitter sheets to cut out balloons and paste it as follows inside. You can use any kind of colorful paper to decorate your card as per your choice. Friends, you can see our gatefold card is almost ready and it's looking very adorable while opening. So now we are going to use an 25 centimeter colored thread to tie it around our card. You can also use ribbons for doing the same. So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If so, please do give it a thumbs up by liking it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for much more ideas. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.